This is Eric Muathe for the week of October 14th, 2013. This is how markets look to open here in the next couple of hours or so. In the pre-market action, you see the Dow called down about 94 points, slightly down on all the major averages. The S&P 500 called down about 10 points. Overnight in Asia, we see that they were pretty much mixed. Japan was up 1%, China up 0.43%, Hong Kong up 1.1%, so pretty much mixed. And we're looking at Europe here, which is slightly to the downside, about, or let's call it unchanged as we begin the new trading week. A quick look at commodities, and we see that crude oil is down about 74 cents, gold is up 1.25%, silver is up 1.56%. That's how the market is looking to open here in the next couple of hours. So as far as the Dow is concerned, let's watch this week to see whether the Dow can hold above the 10-week moving average, and also if it comes down, let's see whether it can hold above the 33-week moving average. Don't forget that on the daily for the Dow, we have a market here that is trading between a declining 50-day moving average there and an upward trending 200-day moving average. So that could be reason for this market to be range bound. Let's take a look at the Nasdaq weekly. Nasdaq had a nice recovery last week. Let's see whether it can still stay above the 10-week moving average, and also if the RSI can hold above 69.10 here. So this level, if the market moves below 69.10 for this week, we might have a big down week. So watch this RSI level here. Dow Transports previously tried to break out above 6651.69. This weekly closing high there, if it cannot hold above that level, that could be another negative in this market. But as long as it's holding above the 10-week moving average, that could be decent. Let's watch to see whether the RSI on the weekly can break out. If not, then that's negative divergence, with the market making lower RSI lows here, or lower RSI levels, while prices have been improving. So let's watch to see whether this is going to be resistance on the weekly RSI, or if it's going to be a breakout mode. On the S&P 500, let's take a look at this and see whether the S&P 500 can hold above 1709.67, which is this weekly closing high there. The market had tried to break out there previously and failed, so it's trying to break out again. But as long as the S&P 500 stays above this 10-week moving average, one can look at this market as being healthy. Eric Muathe, have a good trading week. Peace and blessings.